Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today. But the crazy part was, it really didn't happen until the afternoon. I mean, for the majority of the day, nothing was really going on. And then all of a sudden, that latter part of the day did hit. You can see volume came pouring in, and then the price reacted very nicely with it. So definitely some updates here need to be made. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these green lines are coming from. But I'm just going to go ahead and use these green lines now that these levels, sure, they pertain, they're just not relevant given how much the price moved. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level of support going forward. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above $2.50. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power, no doubt about it. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there right around $1.87. So near term, $2.50, $1.87. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely applies to those of you that have more of a broader term time horizon. But it's really all about that purple line right there, and this makes the chart very easy to kind of look at from an analysis standpoint. Because if you're caring about more so the big picture and you're saying, Clay, look, how do I just gauge the overall health of the current move that happened this afternoon? Well, going forward, the easiest way to gauge the strength or lack thereof, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line moves itself upwards, hence moving average. But as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health as far as this late day move is concerned. Obviously, if the price falls all the way down there and then goes below it, well, then today's late day move was just a knee-jerk reaction. But if over time, as that purple line moves upwards, the price can stay above the purple line, then that implies that the bulls are now starting to build an uptrend and just are starting to build more so upon that momentum that is very clearly here right now. Nobody could really argue against the fact that there's not any momentum. It's really just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum and quote-unquote build upon the momentum? Easiest way to gauge that, like I said, is by watching that purple line. So crazy way to end the day today. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.